Loyal to Royal? Not today. We're going to be going on Resilient Lake. My wife's sleeping right now. My friends are about to show up, and we're all about to probably get some dinner tonight. Stay tuned for a great Virgin Cruise Line trip. We are currently in Miami, Florida today, and our embarkation day is tomorrow. The itinerary is pretty nice, so stay tuned for that as well. All right, off we go on our first adventure in Miami. Oh, we're already on Calle Ocho?
Yeah.
That's crazy. I like Calle Ocho.
Never been here. Turn where? Oh, now we go that way.
Is this right? Left.
Yeah, go left.
I don't know why.
All right, so we're about to cross the street here on Calle Ocho. This is Bristol Bay Drive.
Jeremy's behind you. No, Jeremy's behind you.
Oh, hey, Jeremy.
I'm not about the city life, man.
There's Jeremy.
I'm a long way from home, man.
Oh, yeah.
Both are.
It's a far cry from Texas, isn't it?
Far cry, yeah.
They bring cowboys to Florida now, apparently.
Here to wreck this place.
Yep.
For sure.
What's going on over there?
Are we going the right way?
Yeah.
Honey, are we going the right way?
I think so. So we got pizza sandwiches over here. Rolly's Bistro. That's a Cuban restaurant. That's the place you were talking about, wasn't it?
No, that's La Cañita. Well, also
La Cañita?
La Carreta.
Oh, La Carreta. Okay.
That's yeah, we're away from.
That's what I was thinking.
Oh,
That's where we went.
Yeah.
Is it really good there?
It's a little pricey.
It's pretty good. Yeah, it's a little pricey.
Okay.
The reason why we got it is because didn't it come with it?
It came with like a discount.
Yeah, we had a 20% off discount.
Okay.
You don't want to eat here?
Sure.
Flip a coin.
It's heads. I'm gonna double pick it.
Oh heck yeah, that's a good way to pick your food. Just flip heads or tails.
I never do it. It's like the first time ever doing it right now. It's between that one or the triple dipper. Oh my god, let me.
Can you all see the bridge? It's up. That's what held us in traffic for 2 hours last night. That wasn't fun. Cheers, man.
Cheers, bud.
That's definitely refreshing.
Hell yeah, dude.
Gracias. Ooh, I almost did it. I did it. So the whole thing fits in here. I'm dropping off the key. There it is. And we're ready to go on our Virgin cruise. Alright, we're on boarding group 2 for Virgin Voyages. We're about to go through security, so later. Alright, we're going through embarkation. Let's go! Virgin Voyages, Resilient Lady, here we come.
Dining decorations and bar tab and shows, you can make it here, guys. Soon boarding gonna open, you can wait over there.
Okay,
Make
perfect.
Sure everyone have dining decorations.
Thank you.
Have a seat until your number is called.
Let's go. Hi. There she is. All right, so we're officially getting on the gangway. Hi.
Welcome.
And we're in. Party time. What's up?
How you feeling? You good?
Hey, good,
You
man.
ready?
Yeah, bread day
Bread
today.
day.
Absolutely. How you doing? Thank you. All right, let's check out the room with the power. There she is. We're here on Virgin Voyages, Resilient Lady Ocean View, or the Sea View. There's all the goodies. All right, let's go ahead and check out the bathroom. Okay, it's a little bit smaller than what we're used to on Royal, but you know what? It's pretty cool and modern looking. So ultimately, this won't be a problem for us. We have a porthole. We don't have a balcony. We have a nice view, and it's a pretty big porthole. And we can sit on this comfortable chair. And we have stuff for our phones. We have multiple charging ports, and they look like they're USB and micro USB. So all the charging of my cameras won't have any issues. And that is our Virgin Voyages Resilient Lady cabin on deck 5. Well, I guess we're gonna get ready for our day, and we just did our embarkation using the Splash of Romance package from Virgin Voyages, which is an extra cost, but it gets you on board faster, and got us on board about 1:45 p.m. on the dot, and our room is ready. That's a awesome perk already. When you get on board other ships, typically it takes a couple hours to get your room ready. Let's go ahead and explore and have some fun. These are the drinks and prices. I had the entertainer. Okay, so I got this. Oh, so this must be the sparkling wine.
We're going. We're going.
Let's see how. To our first drink at Virgin Voyages. Do you mind if I taste yours? Like a milkshake.
Right there. Cheers. Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers. Okay, sorry. So as we were saying, we're doing the no step challenge. We got from deck 6 all the way to deck 12. And we're trying to get to deck 15 in the galley. We're hanging in there so far, huh, honey? I don't know what challenge we're on, but the step challenge has been completed for today.
Oh, okay.
Where is it that you're wanting to go?
Oh, I brought up the fact that I'm a big Jack Daniels fan. I want to go.
Tennessee, stay in Nashville, and then just take a day at the lake.
Cheers, my friend.
What's up, man?
So with beer,
So-
so that cushion.
Soda for now.
They got everything that you ever want.
party is about to begin here shortly.
Right there. Oh, no.
We found ourselves a cozy spot over here on Virgin, Brazilian Lady.
In case you haven't noticed, here at Virgin we do things a little differently. We have the Happenings cast, a team of 12 beautiful individuals dedicated to entertaining all of you. Now, how many of you came here to relax? Wow, how many of you came here to party? Raise your glass to the friends you have yet to discover. Lift your glass to the treasures you have yet to uncover. May your journey be filled with adventure and fun. May your voyage with Virgin be an unforgettable one! Everybody cheer!
Look at the swing at the top. Oh, hell no.
Fuck yeah!
Oh, no. Yeah, there's a couple kids there.
Alright, let's go towards the show.
Okay. That was our sail away at Virgin Voyages, Brazilian Lady. We're here in our friend's balcony. Michael and Ashley, thank you for letting us check out the view.
And it's cool hot hammock. I'm going in it. You could literally take a nap here.
Yeah. Success.
There you go. Enjoy. Raspberry.
Hello. Yes. May I get the waffle cone as well with coconut Malibu and rum? Hey, thank you. Appreciate it. We're here eating ice cream. Cheers, baby.
That's good stuff.
I got the Malibu coconut rum.
Raspberry.
Raspberry beet, I think is what it's called.
Oh no, it's good.
It's good. And we're at Lick Me Till I Scream.
Called really?
That's what it's called. We're on deck 7. Day 2 is upon us. We're on deck 7. Oops, it's a video. Hey, what's up? We didn't mean to do that, but we might as well take advantage. Hold on. That was 2 pictures right there. Where are we at?
Grand Turk.
Grand Turk. We had our honeymoon in Providenciales, Turks and Caicos, so it's nice to be back to relatively close to where we were in the past. And we're about to do our Grand Turk all-inclusive half-day beach adventure. Welcome to Grand Turk. All right, short things straight ahead. Back outside. We gotta find Zone E. But we're still early. It's 9:30. We have to meet them at 10:15.
Hey guys, morning. Any help? Any activities for a day?
Yeah, we have one with Virgin already with the beach club.
What's the name of the tour?
The half-day all-inclusive beach club.
Is it true tipsy?
All right, we're waiting right now for our excursion. Still got a little bit of time hanging out by this beautiful fountain back here. This is a beautiful lady right here. He's loves it. Time to check out this beach. We're following him to our half-day beach club. I guess we're taking a bus. Looks like it. Here we go. Is that where we're riding in? There's our bus for the day. Hopefully I don't fall down here. Thank you, sir. Right?
Guys. Now, this box is not in this steering wheel's on the track.
We made it. Ooh, that'd be nice to have one of those private cabanas. Hello. What is it? Oh, okay. Thank you.
Have a seat. What's your step?
Thank you. So not a lot of options on seating?
You think we'll have more seats, but go to the front.
Is it only, is one of these two? Okay, sorry.
Ready?
Yeah, to get in the water?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, the shells. The shells hurt. We washed.
All right, now we're good.
Well,
This is hard.
unless these shells get us.
Probably will.
Ew.
Ow. Ow. Okay, water's a little cold, but I'm pretty sure you get adjusted to it.
Oh yeah, for sure. All right. There's only one way to do this. You know how it goes. Oh boy, here you go. It's cold.
I guess once you're in it, you're.
Oh
you don't
jeez.
feel- You got me in there?
Yeah,
Ready?
yeah.
All right.
Good luck, honey. She's gonna do it. She's gonna do it. Oh, she did it. She's braver than me. Look at me. I have this much out of the water. I'm so brave. Okay, let's just do it.
Okay, baby. Good luck. All right.
Okay, I'm already freaking out here, guys. 1, 2.
Oh, you did it quicker than I did. Yeah, it's gonna take a few times. A few times.
Oh, a few times.
Yeah.
Okay, it feels a little bit better.
Stay down there. Yeah. You have to stay down there.
Sure, honey, sure. So this is the property. It is somewhat private because we're the only people here, just until those beach chairs go to the right over here. We paid about $115 per person from Virgin to do the half-day, 4-hour, all-inclusive beach. Look how beautiful the water looks. It's turquoise. But then you got this reef right here that kind of ruins the color a little bit. But it is what it is. He's trying to keep us away from going in the deep ocean, I guess. But ultimately, what do you guys think? We haven't even had our first drink. I'm trying. Oh, I guess do you have to go to the bar?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, you can go do that. I'm gonna go lay down.
Are you gonna want a tequila sunrise or something? I'll get up there in a second. Okay. Gonna head to get a drink from the bar. Hi, how are you? Good. May I get 2 tequila sunrises? Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Do you have anything fruity that? What about like orange juice and vodka? Yeah. For two. So the bar is inside as well? Is that what you said? The open bar was pretty good, but it was kind of limited. We were restricted to certain liquors and we couldn't have access to tequila, which kind of sucked. Thank you very much. This turned into exactly the kind of easy beach day we hoped for, and honestly, Grand Turk was one of the most relaxing stops on the trip. Is it raining? Can you see that? Oh, they're above. They're on the top. Oh, you saw the storm? They're up top.
Ahoy, sailors! I want to thank you all so much for coming up here to the pool deck, but unfortunately, with the rain and the lightning in the area, for all of our safety, we are going to move this party to the red room.
The party's going to the red room. Let's go. Trying to get to the red room. Too many storms out here. They're trying to keep us safe. I like that. All right, we just made it to Bimini Beach on our Virgin Voyages Resilient Lady. There's not a cloud in the sky. Oh, well, over there isn't. But right up here, it does appear there is some clouds. The water looks really pretty today. The weather's really nice and breezy.
Get that out.
Oh yeah, there's an owl there. He's chilling. The owl is chilling today. Okay, so there's a free shuttle. You want to just walk?
I don't know if that's an option.
Yeah, I don't think we do have an option. So let's just get in line and get on the shuttle.
Anyone wish to be separated?
Yeah,
I got
that's fine.
one
You
there.
go
Yeah.
there, I'll go there.
Okay, thank you.
Oh, you have 2 seats right there. Go with them.
Oh, 2 in the back? All right. You want me to go? Seems like the oasis is right there, where the sun's shining down. Hopefully this takes us to the Bimini Beach Club. The Beach Club, Virgin Voyages. This reminds me of that one club in Aruba that we drove by it.
Yeah.
Was it a Virgin?
I don't know, but I'm hoping we have places to lay down.
Yeah. We're about to find out.
I don't know if you have to rent them or what.
Well, I know all this is included. The cabanas are what you have to pay extra for.
I don't know where we're gonna find benches at.
Did you want to try and go towards the beach first?
Yeah,
Okay.
I prefer that.
All right, we'll go to the beach first.
Oh yeah, there's spots over there.
Hell yeah. Yeah, I think everyone's at the pool here because they like the music and stuff.
Yeah.
But for us, we like it nice and quiet. The question is, do we get an umbrella with our beach chairs?
I don't know.
Or do we have to pay for that?
One way to find out.
Oh, they have these beds.
Yeah.
I guess if you want to take a nap, this is a perfect spot.
We can use that if you want.
Hey, hon.
You can't go wrong.
Are they
Is someone
used?
here, ma'am? No.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
I used to go to a lot of games. Going to a game with you on is a hassle.
Here we are. I'm going to get my first drink on Bimini Island. Hopefully this pool bar over here has it.
Oh, it's in Miami.
The things I do for my lady. She wants 2 drinks. She wants a pina colada and a Miami Vice. I wonder if she said she only wanted one. Oh, well, I got both. And then hot.
Oh, did you find out what the excursions were?
Ooh, they got beers over here. Hello. How are you? There it goes. There comes the rain.
Here comes the rain. It's
Yeah.
already raining. What are you talking about?
Yeah. It's arrived. I have my own server today. We'll see if I can find Sandy real quick. Sorry. Oh boy, this rain's coming down. This is where cabanas come in handy. I don't know about y'all. Oh boy. All right, so we're here in Bimini Beach. Enjoy the ocean waves while you hang out by the beach. You can see Virgin, decent length away. You have to take a shuttle to get over here, but you can walk it. It's just gonna be a good walk. And what's good is your bar tab works well here. So if you have any money left on your bar tab on your last night of your cruise, you can definitely take advantage here on Bimini Beach Club in Virgin. Well, it's time to check out the pool. Oh, it's not even, it's really warm. Huh?
They only have 2 pools.
I think so. Like I said, it's not a huge, it's not a private island, it's a beach club. I gotcha.
And then we'll go in and get in.
You're gonna get in?
You're gonna get in?
Well, maybe I have my
Okay,
stuff
cool.
right here, so maybe not. I don't know.
Huh?
I have my stuff right here, so.
Put it in my purse.
Yeah, we have that bag.
All right.
Trust the process. The private island beach process.
Man, yeah, imagine bringing a whole. I was all confused.
Completed our Virgin Voyages Resilient Lady cruise. How do you feel? Tired, sleepy, and sad.